Hey, it's our poster from the Music City Pipe Show and Sale. And look at all the people that signed their poster, including that guy. You guys know that guy, right? Most of you do. He is definitely a friend of the community. He has, he made the TPC Pipe of the Year last year. We first met him last year at the show in Columbus. And then we saw him again this year at the show in Columbus with a bunch of our friends from CAPS. And he was at the Music City Pipe Show and Sale. I think he might have even been the first guy that Big Star Cigar brought in as one of the indie carvers. So he's out there. He's on Instagram. Jay Kochi, also known as Briarbird, and he put up an Instagram on Friday of a pipe that he said, well, there's a flaw in the front of this, kind of a cosmetic thing, and I'm going to sell this at a significantly reduced price. Who wants it? So let's take a look, guys. This was Friday. I was chatting with him, and today's Monday, so over the weekend. But he's on the other side of Ohio, so he's not that far away from us. My lovely bride is sitting off camera. She's tired. She didn't want to be in this video because she's not feeling too good. She's tired. I've looked at some of these pictures that he put up of these things he's been making. They're really neat looking. So let's see what it looks like. Well, there's a stem. Oh, and a note. Ooh, I think this might be the first time I've seen this card. That's snazzy. Very classy. Thanks, brother, for picking up a Wicked Warden for all of your support. Happy holidays to you and your family. For those of you that don't know, we have a few Briarbird pipes in our collection already.
Like a flock.
What?
Like a flock.
Yes, so the flock of Briarbirds. Aren't you clever? Look at that. It's supposed to be cooler if I put the stem in first and then showed you the whole thing together. There. And there it is. The pipe itself is rusticated, and then the front is smooth, and then it's smooth also on the bottom where he's got his Briarbird logo stamp. Very cool. And he was saying the front was I guess maybe this little, I don't know, I don't even know if that's that little bit right there, if that's what he's talking about as far as a flaw. Maybe, I don't know. For a price though, can't beat it.
We need another church warden.
Yeah, if you guys have seen the church warden rack, it's actually reached capacity. We're out of church warden space. Maybe we'll have to just take one of these out of here for now. But that's it. That's the Briarbird Wicked Warden. And I'll tell you, for the price that he's asking The regular price on these is not really a whole lot. So for a neat looking pipe like this, those of you that like a church warden, that's a cool looking pipe. And the price is right, even for his regular price on these. So give him a call or send him an email. Here. That's his info right there. Get in touch with Jay Kochi, Briar Bird Pipes, and ask about his wicked warden. Pretty cool. Alright, so that's it. What do you think? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, she's not going to steal it from me. It's mine. She just got a brand new Eric Gainey pipe.
I don't care for the wicked wardens.
Oh.
It's
not her style. It's not pretty and girly.
Sorry.
It is pretty cool. Alright guys, so we'll see ya. I'm gonna go see about smoking a wicked warden. See you later guys. This morning a little bit of black coffee. And then I've got some Briar Fox, thanks to Duke of Van. And I'm smoking it in a wicked warden. So, great big thanks to Jay for the opportunity to snatch this up at a really good price. And all because of that little blip right there in the front, I believe. So, I love these pipes with the. For me, I just think it's character. So, I have no problem with that at all, as long as it doesn't have an issue affecting the integrity of the smokability of the pipe. I just think it adds a enhancement of the look of the pipe. It gives it something like a little battle scar or something. So, oh, black lighter. Smokes beautifully. And of course, can't go wrong with the Briar Fox. So thanks Mike for the tobacco. Thanks Jay. Really, really cool. I like the way that little talon thing sticking out there. Fit that right between your fingers. Pretty cool. Alright guys. Thanks again, Jay, and we'll catch y'all later.